Keeping an eye on your engine's vital signs is one of the smartest ways to protect your vehicle and drive with confidence. This compact triple-gauge kit is designed for drivers who want reliable, easy-to-read information without bulky instruments or complicated installation. With a clean design and practical features, it delivers essential data right where you need it. Each gauge features a 1.5-inch diameter dial face with a wide 270-degree sweep, making readings clear and precise at a glance. The bourdon tube meter movement inside ensures accuracy and long-term durability, giving you dependable performance whether the vehicle is used daily or occasionally. This kit allows you to monitor key engine conditions in real time, helping you spot potential issues before they become costly problems. For night driving, the backlit illumination provides clear visibility in low light conditions. The gauges can be connected directly to your vehicle's dash light circuit, allowing dimmer control so brightness matches your interior lighting. This integration helps maintain a clean, factory-style look while improving usability after dark. The electrical specifications are designed to cover common automotive needs. The volt gauge operates within an 8 to 18 volt range, suitable for most vehicle charging systems. The water temperature gauge covers a range from 130 to 280 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you accurate insight into engine cooling performance under normal driving and heavy load conditions. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included adapters, which are designed to fit most popular foreign and domestic vehicles. The kit comes with complete illustrated instructions in English, French, and Spanish, making the setup process accessible even for users with basic mechanical experience. Many drivers appreciate how quickly the gauges can be installed and put into service. This triple gauge kit offers a practical balance between functionality, size, and value. It is well suited for drivers who want economical yet effective engine monitoring without unnecessary complexity. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel to discover more useful automotive tools and accessories that help you stay informed and in control on the road.